Welcome everybody to the Future Space Collective, where we explore the world of products for imagination. Today we're checking out the Nanoleaf Lines. So you can basically create your own geometric patterns and your own designs. Let's check out the video. It's very nice design to this. I really dig the look of this. I haven't been a huge fan of the wall lit panels, but these ones are very interesting to me. They have a very unique look and design to them with the lines and the fact that you can create any sort of shape. Almost industrial looking a bit, and I like that vibe. I like that vibe a lot. I like how you can even go angle them up onto roof. You can create your own 3D geometric patterns. I love it. They look absolutely amazing. This product video looks absolutely amazing. Music reactivity modes, colors, all the fun stuff you would expect. These Nanoleaf Lines do have a lot of integrations: Apple HomeKit, Assistant, Alexa, Razer Chroma, If This Then That, IFTT, and SmartThings. Sync your lights to your screen. So it looks like you can even download some software, read the colors on your screen, and have that display to your lights. Lights dancing to music. Dynamic lighting effect, 16 million colors, backlit illumination, voice control. You start with the starter kit, and then you can add in more lines with the expansion packs. I'm gonna jump in, unbox this thing, see what I think. Boom! We have it in hand, the Nanoleaf Lines. But not only do we have the Nanoleaf Lines Smarter Kit, that is their Play On starter kit, we also have an expansion pack, which comes with 3 more lines. You can buy as many as you need to build out your design, whatever you have in mind. As well, we have a pack of the Nanoleaf skins. They actually go on the lines to change the color to matte black. I do like all these pictures on the back here to give you some inspiration on how to build out your design. Here they are, 9 of them. We got the power adapter and what looks to be the Wi-Fi controller. This is actually a physical controller: power, brightness, levels, music mode, shuffle, change the modes, scene modes. So that's cool that there is a physical controller. I do really like that. The 2 prongs for the power. Throw that on. These pieces right here, they're the covers, the connector parts. The lines kind of just connect into this hexagon connector here. From that, you can build out any shape you need to, and then you just pop on the cover. Bada boom, bada bing. We have this little connector piece here. Boom, just like that. This is where you can pop the controller into, and you just simply connect your lines into it. Boom, just like so. You can see they're lighting up at the bottom. Okay, now I'm gonna plug this controller piece so you can see how that power is working. And you can see how on the back of all the connector pieces, they do have stick-on wall mount already there for you. It's a really thought out product that Nanoleaf has built here. Covers on. Boom, see how the covers kind of make it all flat? So there you have it. You see the glow it's got going on out of the box. But let's get these skins going. And it looks like they just snap right on top. So you could even mismatch the black and the white pieces. To change these out, they give you the black ones. So I'll just change out these 2 here. And there you have it, a half skinned with the black skins. You can build this out to a huge design with the expansion packs. The cable is super long, running from your design to the outlet, so that's great. Super impressed so far. Let's go figure out where I'm gonna mount these things. All right, so I have the Nanoleaf Lines installed as of now. I will say it was a bit of a challenge trying to figure out the right pattern for my space that I wanted to put up on the wall. In retrospect, if I could go back and do it again, and I recommend this to all of you, if you are going to design a pattern on your ceiling, start from the edge of your ceiling and build outwards, and then once you go onto your wall with that extension piece, build down where the ceiling and your wall meet, so you don't end up with something like I have where there is a bit of a gap. What I did was I actually built out my Nanoleaf Lines pattern starting from the bottom of my neon sign. That's where I kind of wanted it to begin. So then I was faced with the challenge of, well, do I take this down and rip off all the pieces and try to move it upwards a few inches? I decided not to do that because I did try to rip off one of the Nanoleaf tiles and it did kind of ruin the wall and make a bit of a gash in the wall. So once you stick it up there, the adhesive is really good. It is really strong. It's there. It's going to stay there. You can applaud Nanoleaf for that. But with that in mind, make sure you get the pattern right. They do have a pattern designer available to help you figure it out beforehand. Overall, I still really love my Nanoleaf Lines. I think it is quite a unique aesthetic and something we haven't really seen before from these lighting companies in terms of coming up with something fresh and interesting. I personally like the aesthetic. I like the feel of it more so than I do other wall tiles. I wish I just had more of them to make a bigger pattern. I think it would be really exciting to have a whole bunch of these, a whole ton of them, and really grow out this space and make something super interesting. It integrates well. I tested it with my Alexa into my setup for voice command. It comes with an array of different patterns and features and lighting effects you can do all from within the app. Of course, you can also design your own patterns as well or set it to a single static color. Overall, I really dig it. It's definitely going to be a permanent addition to the setup here. Check the links in the description for the latest deals on the Nanoleaf Lines, as well as any other of the products that you see in my space here. They're all listed in the description below. If you are looking to outfit your space, your walls with some wall paneling or wall lighting, you can check out the Nanoleaf Elements if you want more of a classic, sophisticated design. They're wooden panels. I've done a video on that as well. Nanoleaf makes some great stuff. Big thumbs up from me. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.